How to remove the background in Illustrator. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can remove a background in Illustrator. So let's get started. First things first, what you're going to do is you're going to open up Illustrator and you're going to select your image, and you can select view, and over here show transparency background so we can see our image. Next, what we want to do is click on the image, click on Windows, and we want to click on image trace. You can even click it over here if this doesn't show it. I'm just showing you the basic ones. You can do it from here. If this bar isn't showing, you can just simply click on Windows and do it over from there. Next, what you want to do is click on preset and click on high fidelity photo. It's going to trace automatically. There you go. Once that's done, just simply close it up. And then what you want to do is click on the object and then come over here onto expand, click on fill. Yeah, everything looks good. Click on OK. There you go. Next, what you want to do is click on the direct tool, click on the background, and then what you want to do is just simply click on the background. And as you can see, I can move the background around and I can just simply go ahead and delete it. And there you go. That is how you do it. That is how you remove background of an image in Illustrator. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.